See, if you know how I handle cases in court, do you know why they call me Mbo? You know what Mbo means? Mbo means bullet in Igbo language. You understand? I shoot my opponents in court. I shoot them down like bullets. They'll die.
And nobody arrests you for murder?
Are you there? Who would arrest me? It's not killing. It's not killing people. It's a legal term that means that I am efficient in court. I win my cases fast and clean. Understand? Okay, let us update your case. You know, this before your husband started claiming that you no longer love him, were you in any kind of romantic relationship with him?
Do you have brain at all? How could I have loved somebody if I'm not in a romantic relationship with him?
Did you come to my office to insult me?
No, you started it. I only came to you as a lawyer to handle my case. But instead of you to talk brilliantly like an intelligent lawyer, you chose to insult me just because I made a joke.
Are you in any way insinuating that I don't talk intelligently and brilliantly?
All I'm asking is for you to handle my case as a lawyer. I want that shit out of my life and I want it fast.
Okay, I can do that on the grounds of infidelity, right?
What pains me most is that he went there and decided to have a one-night stand with his former girlfriend.
Okay. So, when your husband went to that party, if he had gone with you, if he were to and were able, despite the restrictions from you on him hitherto, and if he could have gone but did not go with her, and would you have gone to the party?
I don't understand.
Of course, I don't expect you to understand, you know. You might not know it, but I'm used to having very brilliant and intelligent clients that understand anything I say.
Is that a joke?
You're there. You are the joke. Don't worry, the punchline is when your husband wins this case. But anyway, if you are still interested in me defending you, my legal fee is 22 million.
You're a criminal.
You're there. Get out of my office.